Hey guys, it's Neil Bottom, the founder and CEO at ResumeWizard 101, and just going to record this quick 3-minute video for you. Make sure to watch it all the way through so that you're set up for success here moving forward. Otherwise, you're going to get lost and confused. So step one, just make sure to read those directions off to the left-hand side of the page. Once you're done with that, you're going to go over to the blue bar on the left-hand side, and you're going to just start top to bottom. So you'll go to the agreement. This is just to show you we're serious about our guarantees that we offer. When you're done, you can just sign over here, just drag your cursor, sign, and then hit that submit button down below. Then you're going to go over to start your order, and you're going to see whatever order you ended up getting with us. So the career rebranding is always where you'll start if you're working with us, because we want to make sure we're getting that resume, the LinkedIn, and the cover letter squared away. So always start with your resume rebrand first. Then you'll move on to the career search management if you purchased this service, which is where we find, apply, and we network for you. So there'll be a start order button. You're not seeing it visible here because this person's already completed theirs. And so make sure to just click on the purple button that says start order, and it'll take you over to a intake form that you're going to fill out, and you'll be able to book a strategy call with one of our coaches on the team to help you fill out that form. Then you're going to go to the track progress tab, which is next, and here you'll be able to see the status of your order if you're ever wondering kind of where we're at with it. It'll say work in progress once we've actually began the work. Now, review your docs is going to be over here. So this is where you'll see all the completed documents when they're complete. Upgrade. So this is if you might have purchased just the resume writing services and you're looking to upgrade to someone who's going to find, apply, and network to jobs for you. That way you can secure more interviews, because we know that a resume today is not what leads to interviews. A resume is just the basic foundation in order to help you communicate once you've landed the interview how you've been able to produce accomplishments for prior organizations. But in the job market we're in today, we know that the resume and the LinkedIn profile alone do not lead people to more interviews. And so you can look at these upgraded services here, or interview coaching, or anything else that we might have within this tab. And then the resources you'll want to make sure you're taking a look at, because there's all kinds of amazing resources that can save you a lot of time as you go through this job search. So the newsletter is one that has all kinds of great kind of education in terms of like how to land more interviews, how to land referrals at your target companies, how to be the #1 applicant, right? So go through these different articles, how to negotiate the right way. And then from there, I would actually take a look at some of these other things. Like, you can skip the free resume template because you're probably getting it done with us, but networking and thank you letter templates, you'll get access to this entire page. And there's all kinds of useful things like communication templates in here. So if you want to send a thank you note to a recruiter, you can just plug in their name, right? I spoke with, let's say, Bill, and it'll plug in the actual name down here, and you can just hit copy to clipboard. And what happens is you can now just paste it, and you can see, thank you, Bill, right? You just paste it into the email. You'll be able to use this tool to help you save a lot of time with sending out the right kind of emails, or like if you're following up or anything like that, here are the best ways to go about doing that. And there's also a salary negotiation email if you're trying to negotiate a higher salary, right? Always try and do the negotiation over a live call if you can, but obviously connect with us at that point if you have any questions when you get to that stage. Now, the referral program is the last thing you can take a look at. If you send your link after working with us, or if you paste your link on LinkedIn after working with us and someone signs up, you'll get a commission to your account. And now we've actually upped that commission. So instead of it being 25%, it's 50%. So if 2 people sign up for the career search management service with us, you'll end up being able to afford the service yourself without even having to pay a dime for it. So if you like the service and you want to upgrade, to career search management or something else, or you want to use it on any other kind of upgrades we might have, then you'll get credited directly into your account here. It'll show up in your balance, and you can use it toward any of our services. So yeah, that's kind of what we do. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at any point. Reach me on LinkedIn if you have any questions for me personally, and I'm looking forward to working with you, and so is the team. Thanks so much.